Contour Next Diabetes Testing Kit, 100 count Contour Next S meter, 100 Contour Next test strips, 100 Lancets, lancing device, control solution, manuals, logbook and carry case. Complete starter kit includes a Contour Next S diabetes monitor, 100 Contour Next test strips, 100 active forward Lancets, 30 grams, Microlet lancing device, Contour Next control solution, manual, logbook and carry case. Fast and accurate results, highly accurate meter. Test results within 5 seconds. Second chance sampling with tiny blood sample. Easy and simple to use, preferred diabetic starter kit for senior patients, no coding, alarm reminders, saved pre- and post-meal glucose level tests of 7, 14, and 30-day averages. Fresh and long expiration date. All components have an expiration date of 12 to 24 months. Satisfaction guaranteed. This product is backed by an 18-month warranty on all components, provided exclusively by OTC Outlet. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.